हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। आई एम योर न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट अजरा खान और आज के वीडियो में हम लोग लेके आए हैं वापस अपनी सीरीज वेयर आई रिव्यू सेलिब्रिटी व्हाट आई ईट इन अ डेज। टुडेज वीडियो इज अ लिटिल डिफरेंट क्योंकि पहले के 3 वीडियोस में मैंने इंडियन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को रिव्यू किया है। उसका पूरा प्लेलिस्ट मैंने अपने चैनल पे बना रखा है, लिंक इज ओवर हियर, यू कैन गो ahead and check it out in order to know what your favorite celebrities eat to lose weight mostly. Today I'm going to see what I eat in a day being shot by Chloe Ting. Now I am a fan of Chloe Ting's workouts. I do them. I always encourage my clients also to practice her way of working out because I really like. I know for a fact that a lot of Indian people also follow Chloe Ting. Thanks to Indian nutritionist reviews, Chloe Ting's what I eat in a day kind of video है ये, क्या खाती हैं on a daily basis in order to look the way she looks like and what is its nutritional value. Also whether Indians can follow the particular eating pattern or not. If you are interested in watching Chloe Ting's what I eat in a day review, then please continue. So this video has been shot on January 2020, तो काफी ज्यादा टाइम हो गया है and टाइम हो गया है, तो this is the latest what I eat in a day she uploaded.
So most of you guys know that I have a severe nose, so that's great. What blows me the most are vegetables.
She's saying in this video that she has severe bloating issue. Everyone has the responsibility to know कि उनको क्या bloat करता है. कुछ लोगों को grains bloat करती है, कुछ लोगों को vegetables bloat करती है. Like she said that she gets bloated when she eats a lot of vegetables, but we have to incorporate vegetables. What can we do? We don't have an option. तो bloating को कम करने के लिए let's see what she's doing.
Yeah, I have this right now. 1 teaspoon of vitamin C, the gut relief powder. Mix it with some water.
She is starting her day with a vitamin C shot. So vitamin C can come in multiple ways. इन्होंने पाउडर फॉर्म में यूज किया है, उसको पानी में डाल के she has just drank it. अपना इंडियन तरीका है कि गर्म पानी में या ACV डाल लीजिए या तो फिर लेमन डाल लीजिए. It will give you the equal effects to get rid of your bloating. So it is not necessary to go and buy that vitamin C powder. You have it available and you can use whatever is available in the kitchen in order to get rid of your bloating.
Actually tastes really good. I'm just gonna have half a scoop of the prebiotic. I'm gonna have this, and then I'm gonna make my breakfast. I'm gonna have a cup.
Okay, so probiotics are also really important for a healthy gut. अगर आपकी gut healthy है तो आपके overall digestion अच्छा रहेगा. Overall digestion अच्छा रहेगा तो आपकी bloating और constipation की issues ऐसे ही solve हो जाएंगे. So that is what she's taking. The second thing early in the morning is having probiotic. You can also have that as a form of supplement. बहुत सारे brands के आते हैं, वाव का आता है, मैंने बहुत टाइम पहले आप लोगों को दिखाया था. And you can have a probiotic if you feel कि आपके डेली डाइट में आपके प्रोबायोटिक्स मिसिंग है. बट इंडियन सब्स्टिट्यूट टू अ प्रोबायोटिक टैबलेट इज याकुल्ट. याकुल्ट एक प्रोबायोटिक शॉट होता है. इट इज टेस्टी एज वेल. उसके अलावा आप योगर्ट अगर इस्तेमाल करते हैं या कोई भी फर्मेंटेड चीज इस्तेमाल करते हैं, दैट ऑल्सो गिव्स यू द प्रोबायोटिक्स. प्रोबायोटिक्स में इकोलाई बैक्टीरिया होता है जो आपकी गट को हेल्दी रखने में मदद करता है. सो हियर शी इज टेकिंग दैट ऑल्सो एक्सटर्नली, बट वी कैन इनकॉर्पोरेट इट इन आवर daily food as well. But if you don't get it, if you are lactose intolerant, आपको नहीं मिल रहा, you can definitely take probiotic tablets as well.
Okay, it's a little bit more because I can't measure things. I can't see. What did I do that for? Okay, whatever. And cinnamon. Some of these bananas, they're quite ripe, so I'm gonna chop it all and freeze the rest. Oh, butter with oats. Oh. You know, I like my things fresh from the stove. Okay, let's. Wow.
Really good tip. Even I do that. अगर बनाना बहुत बड़ा है तो आप उसको हाफ कट करके हाफ फ्रीजर में रख दीजिए. It will be as fresh as it was when you cut it, and it is a really good hack. Is preparing oatmeal bowl, and in the oatmeal bowl she is using hot water with oats and almond milk and stevia. Stevia is a natural sweetener, plant-based sweetener, so it is a very healthy breakfast. She is measuring the quantity of oats, which is half a cup. You can measure it depending on what your goal is. आप एक्चुअली इंट्यूटिव ईटिंग भी कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको इतना ज़्यादा मेजरिंग नहीं करना, इट इज ओके, यू कैन स्किप दिस स्टेप. बट ओट मील इज अ वेरी हेल्दी breakfast option. She's adding fruit in the form of banana, which will give you minerals, vitamins, potassium. She's adding cinnamon powder, which is going to obviously kickstart your metabolism. It is really good. And also stevia is a 0-calorie sweetener, so pretty healthy breakfast. High complex carbs. It is a good. Still she works out a lot. That is why उनका पोर्शन साइज बड़ा है. अगर आपको वेट गेन करना है, आप पोर्शन साइज बढ़ाइए. वेट लूज करना है, पोर्शन साइज बढ़ाइए. कोई भी व्हाट आई ईट इन अ डे देखने के बाद सेलिब्रिटी का अगर आप वो फॉलो करना चाहते हैं, फॉलो इट. बट पोर्शन कंट्रोल आपको अपनी बॉडी के हिसाब से करना पड़ेगा.
Really need much oil. You just gotta make sure you have enough salt on the skin if you want it crispy. Alright, let's put this in the oven. So today I'm also gonna show you the cold version, like just with some cucumber, some tomatoes. If you can have onions, you can add some onions because onions are so nice in feta salad. Or you can also add some capsicum. I only have tomatoes and cucumber here. So I like to crumble up my feta cheese this way. You could use vegan cheese or you could just use your typical feta cheese. And the key is to add a really good quality olive oil.
Her meal is very simple, very easy to cook. उन्होंने salmon लिया है, which is a protein. She has taken a lot of salad. Nothing fancy, just tomatoes and cucumber. And ऊपर से she has added some cottage cheese. Some cheese, you can add cottage cheese, you can add regular cheese, whatever is available. Olive oil to bind everything together and give it some richness, and that's about it. The whole entire meal is about 15 minutes ka preparation, and if you are a super busy person, still you can do it. High in protein and high in fiber meal, and I think it is amazing. Even us Indians, we can follow it. Instead of salmon, you can use paneer as your protein source. You can use tofu, chickpeas. If you are a vegetarian, and if you are non-vegetarian, you can definitely have salmon, chicken as your protein source. And the lunch is very easy to prepare, I must say. Very filling.
This is like seriously my favorite chocolate ever. This is my second favorite flavor. I'm having some.
So look at her body. She looks fat and she is having a chocolate also after her meal. So we all get scared कि हम लोग को खाना चाहिए कि नहीं chocolate. We deprive ourselves. But अगर आपको portion control करना आता है, अपना mind control करना आता है, तो definitely having a piece of chocolate also a day won't hamper your progress. Definitely. So guys, always make it a point to not deprive yourself too much. If you are someone who has a sweet tooth, आप रोज एक piece of chocolate खा लीजिए. पर यहाँ पे आपका self control काम आता है. एक piece से पूरा कप chocolate बार खा लोगे, आपको पता नहीं चलेगा, right? तो आपको self control करना पड़ेगा. आप फ्रिज में रखो, रोज एक पीस खाओ, that's okay. पूरा chocolate रोज खाओगे, of course you are going to put on weight.
This protein jelly. I'm gonna have this before I make my dinner.
Having a little small snack before having dinner, which is a very smart move. हमेशा ही मैं बोलती हूँ कि डिनर्स लाइट रखिए, और हमेशा ही कमेंट सेक्शन में आता है कि रात को आपको भूख लग जाती है. रात को आपको भूख इसलिए लगती है क्योंकि आपने स्नैक उसके पहले का कुछ नहीं किया होता है, या तो कुछ ऐसा किया होता है जिससे यू आर नॉट फिल्ड. यहाँ पे शी इज हैविंग प्रोटीन जेलो. उन्होंने प्रोटीन जेली प्रिपेयर किया, खुद से घर पे प्रिपेयर किया, नॉट हैविंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. Instead of jelly, what you can do is you can have protein yogurt. तो आप प्रोटीन पाउडर को योगर्ट के साथ मिक्स करके उसके अंदर थोड़ा सा कोई फ्रूट डाल के खा सकते हो, या अपने इंडियन स्नैक्स को भी खा सकते हो. उससे होगा क्या कि अगर आप लाइट डिनर भी करते हैं, स्टिल आपको भूख नहीं लगेगी. तो आपका ओवरऑल मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट मीट होना चाहिए डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट योर रिक्वायरमेंट्स आर. और उसके अलावा आपको छोटे छोटे स्नैक्स लेते रहना चाहिए, so that if your main meal is also light, especially at night, you are not going to feel hungry and binge eat in the middle of the day. Also, she is adding enough fat in her diet. She added cheese as a source of fat. She added olive oil as a source of fat in her salad itself, which is a good basic meals, nothing fancy for the body which she has. I think it is a very easy and affordable meal plan. और हम Indians उसको थोड़े से जो tweaks मैंने बताए उनके साथ follow करें.
And then just a bit of stevia. Now, ginger powder. I really love ginger in my food because it really helps with bloating and just helps to digest a lot better.
So Chloe Ting also adds a lot of spices in her meals. जैसे आपने देखा था कि breakfast में she added cinnamon powder, यहाँ पे she's adding ginger powder. We Indians have it widely available. हम ginger, turmeric ऐसे भी grate करके use कर सकते हैं, garlic use कर सकते हैं. These are the spices which help in getting rid of the bloating as well. So अपने meals में उसको ज़रूर add करिए, just like she is doing. And I think her meals are very easy to prepare, to be honest.
Some rice. This is leftover rice. Put oil on it on the pan. And just gonna fry this. Now I'm gonna cook some veg, leftover vegetables from
Look at the amount of veggies she is adding in her diet. It is amazing, very good for fiber. और अक्सर आप लोग कंप्लेन करते हैं कि डाइट करते वक्त आपको कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो जाता है, वो नहीं होगा गाइस अगर आप अपने डाइट में फाइबर इंक्लूड करोगे. And look at her, she's adding fiber in all her meals, which is amazing. And still she's having probiotic as well issues. So it is not easy. It is a lot of discipline. I can see her doing that, preparing her own meals, doing all the household chores. उसके बाद भी हम लोग अक्सर कंप्लेन करते हैं सारा काम हमें करना पड़ता है, इसलिए डाइट करने का टाइम नहीं मिलता. It is not a diet. It is not a punishment. It should be your lifestyle to eat healthy. Of course, once in a while you can eat unhealthy stuff as well because it is life. You have to enjoy it. She has a chocolate bar every day, so you can do the same if you have self-control, or you can have a cheat meal on a Sunday. But you should know when to. So dinner, she's having rice, shrimps, which is a protein source, rice, which is a carbohydrate source, and a lot of salad, which is a fiber source, and minerals, micronutrients cover हो जाएंगे आपके salad से. A pretty balanced dinner, pretty filling dinner. And you can do the same. A lot of you guys ask कि rice बिना खाए नहीं रह सकते. You can definitely have it. Look at the portion. It is really controlled. So if you are okay with having rice and वो आपको रात को protein नहीं देता, you can have it. If you are not okay, you should not have it. Look at the entire day. उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा binging नहीं की है. Main meals पे focus किया है ज़्यादा. Snacks were a little bit here and there, nothing major. That is why her main meals are super filling, super heavy, and still she is how she looks like. Guys, so this was my review of Chloe Ting's What I Eat in a Day. I think the meals were very good, guys, and I also think that आप लोग भी उसको easily follow कर सकते हैं. Her meals were high protein, high complex carb, medium fat meal plan, which was a good. Have a high fiber diet, chew the foods properly. These are the things which you should follow. Definitely, you can follow Chloe Ting's What I Eat in a Day in your diet, and you can see amazing results. But एक चीज ध्यान रखिए कि it should have the portions डिपेंड करेंगे आपके गोल्स के ऊपर. मे बी दिस इज हर मेंटेनेंस डाइट, आपको इससे थोड़ा कम पोर्शन करना चाहिए. इफ यू आर समवन हु इज लुकिंग फॉर वेट गेन, सिमिलर डाइट विद इंक्रीज पोर्शन विल हेल्प यू डू दैट. along with that, do a good nice workout and you will be sorted. I really like her meal plan. It is very similar to what I give a lot of times to my clients also. High protein, medium complex carbs and fat diet. Then I come to the end of this review, giving it my thumbs up. As an Indian, comment down below आपको next किस celebrity influencer या as it is celebrity का review चाहिए. I would love to make another video because these videos we get influenced with celebrity diets, right? So these videos will give you a little bit of economical ways and approach to follow a similar kind of diet to get similar results. Give it a big fat thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe before you leave. Hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fit, stay happy, stay healthy. Goodbye.